Snap my knife!
Ahoy there, landlubbers and sea enthusiasts. Crocodiles have roamed Earth for millions of years, surviving as one of nature's most fearsome and efficient predators. With their ancient lineage, powerful build, and unmatched hunting skills, crocodiles hold a dominant position in the animal kingdom. When a large piece of meat was tossed into the water, a group of crocodiles instantly lunged forward, each desperate to claim the prize. What started as a feeding frenzy quickly escalated into a brutal showdown. Snapping jaws and thrashing tails churned the water as they clashed, each one fighting to dominate the meal. Amid the chaos, one crocodile managed to bite down on another's foot with immense force, severing it clean off in a single crushing snap. The injured crocodile barely flinched, highlighting just how resilient these apex predators are, even in the face of such brutal wounds. A crocodile stealthily approaches an unsuspecting cheetah cub drinking at the riverbank, its powerful jaws snapping shut in a swift ambush.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
But just when it seems the young cheetah's fate is sealed, you might want to brace yourself. The cheetah has a comeback up its sleeve. Imagine if you had to worry about something like this every time you wanted a glass of water. We live such charmed lives compared to these wild creatures, constantly navigating life or death moments in their natural world. The crocodiles along the Mara River are famous for their incredible size, but even these giants can sometimes bite off more than they can chew. After catching a young zebra, the crocs went into a wild feeding frenzy, each one fiercely tearing into the prey. In the struggle, one of the largest crocs managed to claim most of the unlucky zebra for itself. But with such a massive portion clamped in its jaws, it quickly realized the challenge. It couldn't swallow the oversized catch. A crocodile's teeth may look like powerful chewing tools, but they're actually designed for seizing and holding prey, not for grinding or chewing. If a catch is small enough, the croc will swallow it whole. In a brutal display of power, a crocodile clamps down on a zebra's head while it's still alive, dragging the struggling animal into the water. The zebra thrashes, desperate to break free, but the crocodile's grip is unrelenting. This is nature at its rawest, a reminder of the fierce survival battles that unfold daily in the wild. These jaws can even splinter through the tough shells of crabs and turtles, making crocodiles exceptionally well equipped for tackling almost anything that crosses their path.
Oh man, there are two. They got two. No, they got two babies. Yeah.
Check out this video. This dog is happily swimming along the coast, looking so cute as he enjoys the water. But then, out of nowhere, a massive wave appears with a crocodile lurking within. And in an instant, the dog is taken by the crocodile. Take a look at this incredible video. A crocodile boldly attacks a large herd of buffalo gathered by the water's edge. As the buffaloes cautiously drink, the crocodile makes its move, surging forward with lightning speed and surprising the entire group. The massive herd scatters in all directions, with some buffaloes trying to fend off the predator, while others scramble to escape the ambush. It's a tense moment showcasing the crocodile's fearless hunting instinct and the chaotic reactions of prey caught off guard. We witnessed a brutal display of nature as a crocodile ambushed a zebra attempting to cross the river, swiftly turning it into prey. The unfortunate zebra became a feast for the hungry crocodiles that quickly gathered around to devour it. In Kununurra, Western Australia, 2 fishermen had a close encounter with a massive saltwater crocodile. And they managed to capture the intense moment on camera. The crocodile, estimated to be between 4.5 and 5 meters long, was resting on the riverbank. Remarkably, it had only 3 legs. Intrigued by this wild giant, the fishermen cautiously steered their boat closer for a better look. But their curiosity didn't sit well with the crocodile. Just as they approached, the enormous reptile made a sudden, menacing leap toward their boat, startling the men enough to hastily back away and steer clear of the aggravated predator. It was a heart-pounding reminder of just how powerful and territorial these creatures can be. In this thrilling clip from Nat Geo Wild, a lone crocodile boldly ventures into the midst of a massive hippo herd.
They are going for it. Get out of our space.
At first, the hippos appear calm, but as the croc gets closer, tension quickly escalates.
Got him. Got him big time.
The hippos, known for their aggressive territorial nature, begin to close ranks around the intruder, some even snapping and lunging to show their dominance. It's a rare and intense standoff as the crocodile navigates this dangerous situation. Trying to avoid triggering a full-on attack from the protective hippos. Watch to see if the croc manages to escape or if the hippos decide to defend their territory with force. In a heartbreaking moment, a young hippo finds itself vulnerable to a crocodile's deadly ambush while its mother is away. Sensing the opportunity, the crocodile silently approaches the baby hippo, lurking just beneath the water's surface. With a sudden burst of power, the crocodile strikes, targeting the defenseless calf. The absence of the mother hippo leaves the young one tragically exposed, and the croc's calculated move underscores the harsh realities of survival in the wild. It's a powerful reminder of the constant dangers that animals face, even at such a young age. In an astounding display of strength and hunting skill, a jaguar makes a bold move by targeting a crocodile.
Man, this is amazing.
Yes.
Stealthily stalking along the riverbank, the jaguar waits for the perfect moment before launching itself at the unsuspecting crocodile. With incredible precision, it clamps its powerful jaws around the reptile's neck, a tactic aimed at immobilizing the croc almost instantly. Despite the crocodile's thrashing, the jaguar's grip remains firm, showcasing the big cat's remarkable ability to take down even the most formidable prey.
Oh my god. Posso mover un pouquinho? Oh my
See.
god.
This rare and intense encounter highlights the jaguar's prowess as one of the most fearless hunters in the animal kingdom. In a shocking and horrifying moment, a crocodile is brutally beaten to death with a hammer. The violent scene unfolds as the crocodile, already trapped or restrained, is relentlessly struck by the tool. The cruel act serves as a chilling reminder of the dangers of animal cruelty and the horrific lengths some people will go to harm creatures in the wild. Drone footage captures a chilling moment as a crocodile silently stalks a dog on a beach. From above, viewers can see the predator lying in wait, its eyes fixed on the unsuspecting dog as it moves along the shoreline. The crocodile, using its natural stealth, slowly edges closer, hoping for the perfect opportunity to strike. The dog remains blissfully unaware, completely oblivious to the looming danger. A lone crocodile made an unexpected visit to a beach in southern Mexico, sending sunbathers into a state of panic. The massive reptile emerged from the water, slowly making its way onto the sand, much to the surprise of those relaxing by the shore. People quickly scrambled to safety, with some capturing the moment on their phones as the crocodile casually strolled across the beach, seemingly unbothered by the chaos it caused. If you enjoyed this wild encounter, don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling stories from the animal kingdom. Stay tuned for more shocking moments and amazing wildlife footage.